How to download Bilibili app on Android. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To download the Bilibili application on your Android, open up your Play Store application in your device. Now right from here, click on the search icon at the bottom. Head over to your search bar and search for Bilibili. Here at the top, you will find your Bilibili TV application. Click on Install. If you are an iOS user, you can find this application in your App Store as well. Wait until your application is installed. Once installed, you will see the Open button over here. You can tap on it and log in into your Bilibili account and enjoy your videos in Bilibili. Now, Bilibili is only available in certain region, and if it says that it is not existent in your country or region, what you can do is you can easily check out the Bilibili web page. It is easily available in the web version as well. Basically, just search for bilibilitv.com and tap on the search bar. After which it will redirect you to the official webpage of bilibili.tv where you can sign in and enjoy. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.